Anybody want a peanut? You gonna get one? You go, honey. Here. Come on, be shy. Come on, little boy. Come on. Come on. Who's coming over? Somebody's got to come and get a peanut. Come on, mama. Come on, little mama. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'll give you one. Come on over and get it. Sometimes you got to give him one, guys and gals. He's a little shy. A little shy guy. There you go, little one. There you go. You gonna come and get a peanut? Are you gonna get one? Here, I'll hand you one. You're scared. Here, come back. Come back. Come on. Come on up a bit. You brave yet? Have you gotten brave? Have you gotten brave? You're not brave yet? Come on, try to get a little bit braver. Come on, here, it's way over there. You can't be that shy. Come on, I tried. Come on. Almost, little one. Hey, look. Hey, look. It's there. Lazy old squirrel over there. You being chill? You being chill? We got ourselves chill squirrels. I'm going to let it roll for a little while, guys and gals. I hope you can hear me. I shouted earlier and kind of ruined the video thing. Let's see what happens when I talk normal. Squirrels in the hood, squirrels for breakfast. We're going to have squirrels for breakfast, guys and gals. That's a scruff. He went and got himself a peanut. And Scruffy, you look at his chest, you'll see he's a male from in the front. Coming back in, get one. There, you got brave enough? There you go, you got brave. Coming in. Come on, little honey. the squirrels occasionally. You coming, little guy? You're just a little boy. He's a little shy boy. He really wants a peanut, but he'd prefer I not be here. Come on, guys and gals. I'm going to set it up occasionally. Just watch. There's three of them out there. Just hold it by hand. Peanuts. They're shy kids. There. Did you get it? Here. You saw that, didn't you? Go get it. Oh, they're so cute. Join us every day here, guys and gals. This is going to be a live feed. I hope you enjoy. No edits, no nothing. Just live you out the window. And a little bit of me babbling. Hopefully not too loudly and hopefully not too soft.